Here at Fluke Networks, when we design a tester, we put it through a battery of environmental tests to ensure that that tool is rugged and reliable. Let's start with a tech from Europe who tosses his meter into his bag and then into his truck and drives down a cobblestone street. For this guy, we have the vibration test. Here we vibrate the tool on 3 axes at frequencies from 5 to 500 hertz to simulate a real working environment. What about our tech working in Phoenix, Arizona in the heat of summer? He's riding in his nice, cool truck and then goes outside in the desert heat. For him, we have the temperature simulator where we deliberately put the tool to the test of its thermal limits, from 0 to 45 degrees Celsius. We even check to see what happens when he stores it in his truck at 60 degrees Celsius. That's 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Then there's a tech in Malaysia. We've got him covered as well. 35 degrees Celsius and 90% humidity for 12 straight hours. Then we drop the atmospheric pressure to simulate a tech working in one of the highest cities in the world, La Rinconada, Peru, so we can ensure our meter works at over 5,000 meters, or 16,000 feet. You're probably familiar with the permanent link adapter. This is one tough cable. We built it that way, just to make sure. We twist it one way, we twist it the other, we stretch it and abuse it thousands of times until it breaks, making sure it can stand up to daily use. Because we know all techs are tough on their tools and eventually they're going to drop them, we have the 1 meter drop test. We do this to all 6 sides and visually inspect the unit for damage and functionality after each drop. And if this weren't enough, we drop this meter into the deep freeze for a couple of hours, taking it down to minus 10 degrees Celsius. And then we drop it again. After every test, we run the unit through a battery of functional tests to make sure it still performs. And then we open it up and inspect it for damage. And there you have it. These are a few of the environmental abuses we give to each and every Fluke Networks tool before we put it on the market.